Today, we're focusing on the best color combinations for your casual wear. Whether you're hanging out with friends, heading to a cafe, or just chilling at home, these combos will ensure you look stylish without trying too hard. So let's get started. First up, the classic black and white. This timeless duo is the ultimate go-to for any guy. It's simple, chic, and works for every occasion. Pair a white shirt with black pants, throw on some dress shoes or clean sneakers, and you're good to go. It's not just about looking sharp, it's about keeping it effortlessly cool. Next, let's talk about khaki and black, a combo that spells laid-back elegance. Khaki and black is a classic color combination that creates a sleek, sophisticated look. The earthy tones of khaki pair well with the bold intensity of black, resulting in a balanced and versatile outfit. Moving on to beige and white. Beige and white are both neutral colors, so they pair well together and can serve as a great foundation for an outfit. White helps brighten up beige and keeps the overall look fresh and crisp. Blue and white is a classic color combination that always looks crisp, clean, and stylish on men. A white dress shirt with a blue suit is a timeless, can't-go-wrong combination for business or formal events. For a more casual take, pair a blue Oxford shirt with white jeans or chinos. For a more earthy palette, consider olive green and brown. This combination is ideal for those who love natural, muted tones. An olive green blazer with brown shoes or an olive cotton shirt with brown pants can really enhance your outfit, giving it a warm, inviting feel. For a bold, eye-catching look, try going all white. This monochromatic style is perfect for making a statement at summer parties or events. Mix textures and fabrics to add depth and interest to your all-white ensemble. On the opposite end of the spectrum, we have the all-black look. This sleek, mysterious style is perfect for a night out or a more formal casual event. Mix different shades of black and textures to create a look that's both sophisticated and edgy. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself, so feel free to experiment with these colors and make them your own. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this.